In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an exhaust hanger on your Chevy Silverado. There will be a few of these located on the vehicle. The process will be the same for removal, but we'll be focusing on the one in the back. Using a pair of large pliers, I'm going to get on the end of the metal hanger and pull the rubber hanger off, continually working back and forth through the top and bottom. Remove the old hanger, install the new hanger, pulling it on. Make sure they're fully seated, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.